Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn to write a picture composition. Look at these beautiful pictures. Aren't they pretty? Oh yes, they are. And if you look at them carefully, I think they are asking us to write about them. Is it true? Yes. So let's get going. A picture composition involves writing sentences about a given picture. This means that there will be a picture given to you and you need to write few sentences describing the picture. Isn't it interesting? Yes. But how can we do that? So in order for you to describe a picture, you need to first carefully observe the picture and then describe it having meaningful sentences. In this video, we are going to learn how to write a picture composition. But before we move ahead, first it is very important for us to know what is a picture composition. Now, as we know in picture composition, there would be a picture in front of us and we need to describe the picture in the form of meaningful sentences. So now there's one question that comes in our mind is how to write a picture composition. We know now what is a picture composition. So now we are going to learn some points of how to write a picture composition. So the first point is that we should always carefully observe the picture. As we know that the picture is going to be given to us, we need to carefully see what we see in the picture, whatever we observe in the picture. What are the things we see in the picture? What is the scene all about? This we need to carefully observe in the picture. After observing the picture, the second thing that we are supposed to do is, before writing, we are supposed to write a title to the description based on the main theme of the picture. Whatever is the theme of the picture, whatever is the picture about, we are supposed to write, the first thing we are supposed to write is the title. After writing the title, children, now this is very important that you need to ask questions to yourself related to the picture and note down the answers. So you will ask questions like, what do you see in the picture? What scene is depicted in the picture? If there is a girl standing, you could ask, what is the girl doing? So all these answers, you are going to note it down in your mind, and the answers that you get in the form of sentences will be your composition, will be your picture composition. Now that we have understood that we are supposed to question ourselves looking at the picture so that we can get sentences to write the picture composition. Now, when you write these sentences, remember that your sentences should always be in present tense. Your picture composition should always be in present tense because the picture that you are writing about is right in front of you. That is why you will always use present tense. Now, children, since it is a composition, since it is a description about a picture, the sentences that you write, questioning yourself, those sentences should be in a form of a paragraph. You are supposed to write it in a form of a paragraph in 70 to 80 words. Now, one thing that you can do to add to make your picture description more interesting is you can give imaginary names to people or you can use colorful vocabulary. This way you will enhance your picture composition and it will become really interesting for the readers to read it. Understood, children? Very good. Now, I want all of you to observe this picture given on your screen. All of you will carefully observe this picture, carefully see what each one is doing in the picture. What is the scene all about? Yes. Can you all see, children? Very good. Now that you have carefully seen the picture, I also want you to read the clues given right under the picture. Yes, so the clues are as follows. Scene of an amusement park, various rides such as water slide, giant wheel, toy train, snowman melting, eating ice cream, children enjoying. So do you get a fair idea of what this picture is all about? Yes, this picture is a scene of an amusement park. Very good. Yes, we see that some children are playing in the water slides. The girl is the girl is playing with the balloons. Some other children are enjoying other rides. The boy is buying something from the canteen. Very good, children. As I had told you, children, that looking at the picture, when you carefully observe them, you are supposed to frame some questions in your mind in order to write these answers as sentences of your description. So, when you look at the same picture again, children, I'm sure there would be some of these questions which would have come into your mind. What scene do you see in the picture? How many rides are there in the amusement park? What is the parrot doing? What is the snowman doing? Who is playing with the balloons? What are the children doing in the amusement park? Who is eating ice cream? How are the children feeling? And many, many more questions. Now let us observe the picture once more and try and answer these questions. What scene do you see in the picture? So this is a scene of an amusement park. So this sentence you are going to write it as your picture description. How many rides are there in the amusement park? There are 7 rides in the amusement park, such as the water slide, toy train, giant wheel, merry-go-round, and bumper car. What is the parrot doing? The parrot is flying in the sky. What is the snowman doing? The snowman is melting in the hot weather. All these answers, you are supposed to write it as your picture description. The answers in the form of sentences forms a part of your picture description. Who is playing with the balloons? Riya and Ritesh are playing with the colorful balloons. So as you can see, children, that there's a boy and there's a girl. Both are playing with balloons. So I have given them names as Riya and Ritesh. What are the children doing in the amusement park? So when you look at the picture, some children are driving the bumper car, some are enjoying the water slide, 4 children are taking a ride in the toy train, and others are riding other rides. Who is eating ice cream? So as you can see, children, there's a girl near the water slide. She's eating an ice cream. And also there's a girl near the merry-go-round. She's also eating an ice cream. So I've given them names as Rinky and Pinky are eating ice cream. How are the children feeling? The children are enjoying in the amusement park. So they are very happy. So we can see that all the children are enjoying. They are very happy. They are cheerful. So we will say that they are enjoying in the park and they are very happy or cheerful. So the picture description should look like this. So first you have the heading. The heading is amusement park. And after that you have the description in the form of sentences. These are the same sentences that we have written in the form of answers to the question that we asked ourselves in our mind. So the picture description would be, this is a scene of an amusement park. There are 7 rides in the amusement park, such as the water slide, toy train, giant wheel, merry-go-round, and bumper car. There's a parrot who is flying in the sky. The children are riding the rides. There's a snowman standing to where the children are riding the horse. The snowman is melting in the hot weather. Next to the snowman, Riya and Ritesh are playing with the colorful balloons. The children are enjoying the water slide. Four children are taking a ride in the toy train and others are enjoying other rides. Rinky and Pinky are eating ice cream. The children are enjoying in the amusement park, so they are very happy. And this is a beautiful scene. So it's very important for you to mention the title. And after mentioning the title, you are also supposed to write the first sentence as what is the scene about, and then write what do you see in the scene, what do you see in the picture given, and after that you're supposed to write how does the scene look like. So we have written this is a beautiful scene. Now that you have understood how to write a picture composition, I want all of you to open your CFS and open the page where picture composition is given or picture description is given, and do the following question in your CFS. So you all can see the picture and you can write a description about it in 70 to 80 words. Thank you.